Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a biker Baba vlogs, a Goan YouTuber. So today's video is different. It's on my friend's death. One of my best friend, a Goan YouTuber. He was one of the YouTuber wheel burner, Vinay Wilson, his name. So he passed away. I'll tell you exactly what happened. Today is 12th July. So since 3 days I am trying to call him. His phone is switched off. So I tried it. Even he didn't upload any videos on the channel. So I tried him calling just to ask how are you and all. So he didn't answer me. Since yesterday night something feels like I thought something has gone wrong with this guy. So in the morning I got up and I thought I will visit his house there. Even he visited my house many times here. So I left to his house. Then he lives around Carmona, somewhere there in Goa, South Goa. So I went there and asked the people there. I showed the photo of his on the Instagram. And anybody knows this place guy where he lives? Then the few guys had come and they showed me the picture of this boy that he passed away 8 days ago. They said it was unbelievable to hear that for me. It's very hard to. Then he showed me the picture, he made me clear that exactly this is the guy who was trying to capture some pictures at the Cape Diarama area in South Goa. Then they said me that he was trying to take picture on the sea rocks there. Then his foot got slipped. Then the big wave came and hit him and took him into the water. They said like that. So I was shocked that time. I'll show you pictures here. These are his pictures there. So then I asked him where he lives and all. Then I tried to go to his house. Then I talked to his mother and father, and he has a small sister also. So this is the story of a Goan YouTuber or youngster. He was just 18 years old, and he has a Apache 200. Then he was studying in Kurtorim Higher Secondary School and 12th standard. So he was very, very brave. Even he has one more channel of music. He can play a lot of kinds of instruments there on that channel also. According to his parents, they said that it's a story behind his death, they are saying. And investigation is going on in the police station at the Kunkolim police station in South Goa, according to the police. Then let's see what comes up. They said it was not a natural death or something like that. Something has happened there. He will never go in the sea to capture some kind of picture like that where he can lose his life or something like that. According to his parents, they told me like that. On July 7th, on Sunday, 10 o'clock, they went to the Cape Diarama fort, they said. Then and one boy was with him that time. And after that, the body has recovered on 7th, on Wednesday, after 3 days of searching him without clothes. I would like to tell you this. That boy was very smart. He can edit much better than me. I must say that he's one of the best, you can say like that, one of the best editor or musician. Whatever he was doing, he was loved to do that. And he was just 18. That's why it feels me very bad, About me, I never take such kind of risk. Whenever I go, wherever I go, I never take any risk there. Like if I feel something, it's a danger there, I will never go and climb there or something. I'll never do that. I'm not doing those kind of things. But according to the parents, they said this is not a real story. It has something behind it, and the investigation is going on. They said me like that. Let's see what comes next. Now it's a 9th day, I must say. Today is Monday, 12th July. I feel that something is wrong with something has happened to this guy, to my friend. Then I just feel like going and visiting. I never been to his house there. He lives somewhere in Carmona. I'm next to the Mobor side there, and he was studying in Kurtori. So he used to cross my road every day next to my house. So he visited my place many times. I told you this also. So his channel was Wheels Burner. He was riding on Apache 200. Even other channel he has. He plays music on that, singing and all. I just had a small ride with him, not a big ride. Even I was asking him to come with me for some big rides or something. This took place here. What hurts me is he's not supposed to die in this age. He was just 18 years old, and it hurts me very much. Now it's 4 o'clock in the evening, and I was visited his place at 12 o'clock. So that now I came to make this video because I couldn't talk properly. That's why it hurts me lots. It hurt me. That's why. Okay, whatever the story is, what is the truth is, he's no more now. We lost young boy again, the youth of Goa, a great YouTuber, and I must say that wherever his soul is, he rest in peace. Take care of yourself. Wherever you go, don't take any risk or challenges that you never know what comes next. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.